How to sign in to Capcut PC with an email or Google account. Hi everyone, I'm here to assist you today. Without any delay, let's jump right in. First, open Capcut on your device and click on Sign In at the top left. Then you'll find 4 options to sign in. Click on Sign In with Google, which is the last option. After that, it will lead you to Google, where you will need to add your email, then press on Next. After that, add the password of the account and press on Next. After you have added password and pressed on Next, press on Continue. Now click on Open Capcut at the top, which will lead you to Capcut again. And you'll be logged in to your account. As you can see at the top left, I have signed in to the account. This is how to sign in to Capcut PC with an email or Google account. Thank you for joining me today. If this video helps you out, please leave a like and subscribe for more. Got a question or want to suggest a topic? Comment below. Thank you for watching.